How to change the order of photos in an Instagram multiple post. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, open Instagram, which can be downloaded through App Store. Now, you want to tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. Now you want to scroll down and open the multiple post and in which you want to change the order in. Let's say this is the post in which you want to change the order in, and this is what you want to put in the very first. Now, tap on three dots on the top right corner and then tap on edit. After that, here on the top left side corner, you can see a dustbin like icon by which you can delete the post. Since you want to keep this photo in the front, you don't have to delete this. You want to swipe to the very front and delete the pictures in the front. To delete, all you need to do is you want to scroll up and then tap on delete icon and tap on delete again. After that, here you can see there are only two posts and the photo that you want to put in the front is in the front. After that, you want to tap on done, which is on the top right corner. Now what you need to do is you want to go back to the profile and then you want to tap on three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you want to tap on your activity. As you reach here, you want to tap on recently deleted and the picture that you have just deleted are stored here. To bring these photos back on the post, you want to go ahead and tap on any of the picture. Then you want to tap on the three lines, which is on top right corner. Then you want to tap on restore. Tap on restore again and do the same to other photo as well. And after you're done, you want to go back to the file and check if it is done or not. Now you want to go back to your profile and open the post that you have deleted the photos of. And you can see the photo that you needed in the front is in the front and others are in the back. That is how you can change order of photos in multiple posts on Instagram. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.